Today, we are in one manufacturer facility in Bosnia and Herzegovina in company named Inova, where we will explain how manufacturing process looks like and what we can expect from this product. Today, my guest is Luka Brkan, Head of Production in Inova. Hi, Luka. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Just in short about Inova, about your company and your position here, where you have facility in the Bosnia and Herzegovina with production here.
Yes, as you said, the head of production of Inova, the new guy here, but with some experience in this area. This is our main product in Jajce.
So you have here in Jajce, in middle of Bosnia and Herzegovina, you have full production.
Yes.
So you are manufacturing
Everything from zero to the final product.
So basically, most of the components, as I know, are from Europe, and then you are collecting it all together.
Yes, yes. I think 90% of the whole components are from Europe, with EU declarations, and the whole production is here in Jajce.
So what for me, what is the main thing is that you have different units that most of the manufacturers.
Yes.
So design is pretty nice, and we have evaporator on the front side.
On the front side.
And fan is on the back side.
You can see it here.
Yes.
Yeah, fan is on the back side.
Regarding the noise, I assume this is the main thing because you have fans.
Yes, approximately around 50 decibels.
50 decibels. So it's
yeah.
less than most of the manufacturers because you are removing air from the back.
Yes.
So this is pretty clever design. Also, this is R290 unit, and you have also here pressure testing, welding, everything.
Everything from zero. We are starting. You can see it here, but we are starting with montage, putting I can say the house of the heat pump, and then we are putting the ventilator. After that, the evaporator is putting, and after evaporator, we are putting the main components of the heat pump. We have here a compressor, the
two expansion valves. Quite interesting because you can have better control of refrigerant circuit with two expansion valves than with one expansion valve.
Yeah.
What else? Four-way valve.
Yes, we have here a high pressure valve, the low pressure valve, the four-way valve is here.
Yeah.
As you can see.
PCB is here.
Yeah, the electric blocks.
Quite.
The heat exchanger.
Yeah, plate heat exchanger. Yeah. What will you say? What is the main advantage? Because it's not usual to have in our countries to have production, to have facility. What is the main challenge when you are head of production of such a big company, and then you need to take proper care of every piece of equipment?
Yes, as you said, it is the challenge. Yeah, because we are, I think, a second company in Yugoslavia that we are producing this on this level.
On this level.
The production is clean. It is very unique. We are assembling the lean management. We are doing it on the.
Yes, because today everyone wants also clear design. So not only to have some box,
but with good extra product.
With product, yes. Yeah. And what is the feedback from your clients, so from installers, how they like it? Because what I can see that everything is, let's say, accessible. PCB is here, we'll not uncover it, but everything is accessible. Control board is also fine. What can you say about control board, about what you can put in the package for the customer?
The control board, we have a control board which some of the other companies don't have. We have a Wi-Fi or access. When some of the customers have problem, we have our technicians that are here 24/7 for every customer. So we can connect from mobile phones, from
on
PCs. Yes.
So this is included in price.
With the
it's
product.
Not additional.
Yes, with the product.
And how many heating circuits can you manage through this?
3 different. Yes.
So also included.
You can see it on the display.
So also included in the.
Yeah, everything in the price.
Yeah, and what is also for me quite interesting that you have really wide range of modulation.
Yes.
So you can modulate compressor speed, of course with advanced installer menu, but we said we didn't mention what are the capacities what you have here in production.
We have 2 types.
Okay.
We have the name is ACP. This right here, these tools are ACP 15 and ACP two ACP 15s, but we have ACP 10.
So it's
15 kilowatts and 10 kilowatts.
10
yes.
kilowatts. And you can range this modulation really low. So you
Yes.
can on PCB, what I can see, you can really go low with modulation.
Yeah.
So for example, we are usually talking about oversized units. I think this in Bosnia and Herzegovina is also a common thing that
Yes.
everyone is oversizing, but then you can put a limit to minimum
Everything on the display, yes.
everything on display.
Yes, but it's especially we have different types of customers. Some don't want to take advice from us, but that's the thing that we are doing with all customers.
And probably the last question, I am always into topic of education,
Yeah.
how you can see, let's say, the market and the needs also for you and for the guys in the company, because
Yes.
you have some knowledge what I don't have, but also it's wide area. You as a manufacturer, you are responsible for everything.
Yes.
How you can see this challenge?
But for me personally, this is a huge step as a manufacturer, and also for me, for the head of production, this is not new, this position for me, but this is the new area of production. But I think that will not going to be a problem for me, but also for Inova as manufacturer.
I think we covered more or less everything. Thank you, Luka, for
Yeah, thank you, Mario.
having me here. And thank you, everyone. So check out, I will put a link below. Really interesting company, interesting manufacturer in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So take a look and see you next time.